This PowerPoint presentation features a project lesson pertinent to approaches to teaching and learning about culture and society in social studies, specifically on teaching and learning for multicultural awareness. This project lesson is entitled Cultural Recipe Book. The URL source is presented herewith along with the organization involved. A brief background of the lesson featured is hereby presented. This lesson entitled Cultural Recipe Book is a project plan devised in enhancing student works in iEarn's Food for Thought Recipe Book Project Forum. In this project, students need to research the recipes of typical food dishes in their countries, as well as the origin of the ingredients and recipes, and the legends and stories behind them. This lesson was primarily intended for K-5 and grade levels 6 to 8. This work was written by Andrea Rugrero, Brooklyn, New York, USA. The goals of this lesson, according to the proponent teacher, is to promote cultural development, respect among the students, to tie in the social studies curriculum, to promote appreciation of the students' ethnic backgrounds, to have a cultural celebration, to appreciate their own background, to learn other cultural backgrounds, to learn the historic perspective of a specific culture, to develop a cultural recipe book. The database of resources involved in this project lesson is hereby presented, which may include books, internet sites, videos, resources, and student inputs. Students may consult family members at home as primary resources of information. Students may also visit the school library and choose books. Students may navigate the internet for information. The structured timeline of this project involves the teacher working on with the students on a weekly basis, wherein the students will also be responsible for gathering information on their own time. As to the specific parts of this project lesson, the teacher will orally introduce the project to the students. A survey will be given to the student to complete. The survey will serve as a start to get their minds thinking of the places their family are originally from. This led to a discussion of cultural similarity they share. This project ties in with the English language art standards. Students shall delve in with the skills of reading, writing, listening, and speaking for information and understanding, literary response and expression, critical analysis, and social interaction. This project lends itself into the social studies curriculum. According to the proponent teacher, this project is self-motivating, especially when it comes to talking about yourself and then combining it with people. As all-time favorite food is an interesting topic and it will surely enthuse everyone about the project. As for productivity of work, the students will be working and presenting the information they have gathered individually. A student can use the outline given them to complete and gather their information. The student will also creatively and attractively create their own recipe page for the book. As per assessment tools, students will comment and discuss each other's work. It will be good for the students to share what they have learned about each other's culture. As to the project output, there will be a class cultural recipe book that will be kept on display inside the classroom. My own perspective about this project lesson are briefly outlined below. The project lesson is unique in terms of the topic covered, which is cultural recipes. This project will enrich students' knowledge as to different cuisines or variety of recipes available from different places. It was interesting to note that Filipinos are known for their rich cuisine, and having a project lesson like this one should truly captivate student curiosity about foods and cultural recipes. This project lesson will also provide a means of appreciation by the students as regard the wide array of recipes available, its origin, cultural influences, and differences, and the stories paired with these recipes. This project lesson involves the use of a database of information resources. It was interesting to note that a project lesson like this entails the use of wide array of information resources. It is in this way wherein students alike will develop their skills in selecting and evaluating a variety of information resources available, including the web. Project lessons like this one will also provide a means for students to visit and research available learning materials inside the school library. The project lesson also entails the use of students' creativity in arts. The students will creatively and attractively create their own recipe page for the book. It is one way to cultivate the artistic side of students, thus incorporating the use of creative art, which cultural recipes. The project lesson involves a collaborative interaction with other people. The student will individually share the information about the recipes they gathered in front of the class. The student may solicit such relevant information from their parents, grandparents, chefs, or cooks, or even historians, specifically food historians, as they may have more knowledge about cultural recipes. I personally recommend the adoption of this project lesson in our local social studies teaching to enrich the knowledge of students on the different cultural recipes of the Philippines, develop appreciation of the origin of our local cuisine and stories paired with this cuisine. Like other Filipino do, I believe that the study of culture and society must not only be confined with historical events and social issues and concerns, but we also have to pay considerable amount of time to study how food and cuisine originated and developed as part of our culture and society. Thus, project lessons pertaining to food and or recipes, its origin, description, along with the stories paired in this cuisine must be significant part of social studies education. Given the fact the Filipino culture is also characterized as having of one of the world's most culturally diverse cuisine due to Western and Oriental influences, an equally sumptuous smorgasbord of unique recipes that has become a part of our history and shaped the Philippine culture and society at large.